Okay, welcome back everybody, and caught a halfway decent day today, a little bit warmer, but what I've started doing is I've taken an acid brush and I've started using a little lacquer thinner and that on the face of it, and it's taking those little white specks out of those out of the wood grain. Yeah, and actually it's almost there. Maybe I'm being a perfectionist, but just to give you an update, I have ordered some toners to do the highlighting of this, and that will be coming in the next day or so. Hopefully I can get some weather enough to really do some more on this. Ordering toners, I like to use the Mohawk brand, and I'm not compensated by Mohawk in any way, but I like their colors and their assortment. The problem with ordering them, you have to agree to have it shipped UPS, and which that is, if you only order one can, it's the same price as if you order 3 cans. So you tend to order 2 or 3 cans at a time, and that offsets the shipping cost somewhat. But anyway, I'm going to work on this, and then we'll as we progress, I'll give a little bit more update. Little update. I had tried to do that method. I found that a circular motion did better, getting it out of the pores of the wood. Here's what it looks like so far. I brought it outside to get the light better and let you see how it's coming along. It's not going to be perfect, I know, but it's cleaning up quite well, and I believe just a little bit more cleanup. I had to really get down into the grill area. I'm going to darken that, and then probably darken this with some toners, but I think it's coming along quite well. Now the inside, I may very well just go ahead and paint it again to cover up this mess, instead of trying to strip all that out. But there's where we're at. I've ran out of time today. My mom is visiting this week, and she'll be 90 in July, and I'm trying to spend as much time. She had taken a nap, so I slipped down here to do a little bit of work, and now my daughter and grandkids have come up to visit, so I thought I'd shoot a little bit of video to show the progress. There's still a little bit more cleanup, not a whole lot, and then we'll be putting stains and lacquer toners on. It's coming along, guys. I've done a little bit more on the cabinet. I'm doing a little gluing, reinforcing it, because after you put the lacquer thinners to strip all this stuff off, things get loosened up. So you need to go back and make sure. If you'll remember, I came back and I put a patch. I'm not really worried about this that much because the escutcheon will be right here, but I think that's going to blend in quite well. The one that I was mainly concerned with is right here. And Don, if you're watching, you taught me how to do this on one of your videos. So right now it kind of sticks out because it's not stained, but I believe I can blend that in. Let me show you what I did. I took some still photos. The substrate, some of it was actually missing. So what I did is I dug some of it out, smoothed it out, as you can see in the photos. And then I put a piece of veneer in as part of the substrate, and then I put another piece of veneer on top, and you'll see the end result right there. I will show some close-ups on it when I get a little closer at the end of this shot. And right now I'm waiting for this glue to dry, and then we're going to go back and clean it up, hit it with some more sandpaper, a finer grit, probably 320 or so, and then clean it, and then come back and do some staining on this. Here's the close-up of that bottom piece, and we'll go up here, and you can see the close-up of that piece. And I think we'll have to use some toners and some of my crayons, my wax sticks, to kind of blend that in, but I think it's going to be fine. Well, here it is. Got all the patching and the gluing done. Sanded it, cleaned it off. So you can see some cracks we're having to fill in. This side doesn't look that bad. This side, it's got, not really sure what this is. I think this is, you can feel it. And I think it's an indenture. I think it's been scraped and gotten down deep. So I don't think, probably just going to have to cover it up with some toners. And here's that big wide crack again. So that's where we're going to go. I'm going to start by putting some stain on this, and we'll see what it looks like. Here is with a some stain. As you can see, I end up putting a little teak wood or rosewood on that patch, and then also on that patch, so you can still see it. But I think this is the one like I told you, is going to be my main concern. Let's look at the sides. Now, this does not have any toners on it at all, just stain, and you can see that. I believe I'm going to go dark on the top, and that'll hide some of these little cracks, what have you. And that didn't turn out that bad. You still see the crack. I might be able to fill that just a little bit more, but I'm gonna let this set for a little while and see what it looks like. Oh, I went ahead and sprayed the inside just for cosmetic, nothing fancy, just so that it doesn't look so gross. But it's hard to get good light in here. It's a little darker than I really wanted it, but I think it'll lighten up a little bit as it dries. Like I said, I went ahead and made the top darker to try to hide some of the flaws in it. I brought it outside so you can get a little bit better light. I'm hoping that crack will add a little character to it. And then this side looks fairly decent. Let's put a little coat of lacquer on there and see what it's going to look like. Here's about 3 coats of lacquer. And I'll probably go back and shoot it a couple of more times in the next couple of days or so. But it didn't turn out that bad. It wasn't in that great a shape to start with. So I think I want to end this video for now and pick it up in the next go around. And then we'll start putting the grill cloth and and finishing up the spraying of this and trying to put it all back together. So that'll be it for now. From Larry from the hills of Tennessee. Thanks for watching.